Hello friends, here I am with my new video of chocolate butter cake. So for our cake we need the ingredients. Here are our ingredients. First, cake flour, 300 gram of maida cake flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt, 300 gram Amul butter, unsalted or salted as per your choice, 300 gram sugar, 5 whole eggs, baking powder, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of hot boiling milk, and 200 gram of dark chocolate. So first, what you have to do, first let's melt our dark compound in hot milk. Okay, so now break your dark compound in small pieces, add hot milk in it, add sugar so it will get melt easily, and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes so it will get melt. See, it's melting already. Make sure when you add your eggs or other ingredients, the temperature of milk should get lower. ज़्यादा गर्म दूध में डालने से आपका बैटर सही नहीं आएगा. सो कीप स्टरिंग. सी, हमारा डार्क कंपाउंड मेल्ट हो रहा है. अगर थोड़े से चंक्स रह भी जाए तो उसको बीटर से बीट करके आप मेल्ट कर सकते हैं, मिक्स कर सकते हैं. तो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आपका डार्क कंपाउंड रूम टेम्परेचर पे हो, सो उसे मेल्ट होने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सी, इट्स ऑलरेडी मेल्टिंग. Add salt and cocoa powder. Now it's time to add our butter. अगर अभी दूध का जो टेम्परेचर है पूरा लोअर हो रहा है, so you can add other ingredients. So I'm going to add butter and soda bicarb. So let's add butter into it. Check if your milk is hot or it has lowered the temperature. When the temperature is normal, add butter. See, I have taken 300 grams of butter. Break it. And now the temperature is normal, so you can add your eggs also. Here I am taking whole 5 eggs. And add our baking powder, see, here it's 1, mix it. You can skip salt if you're taking salted butter. I have taken unsalted butter, so that's why I have added 1 pinch of salt. Okay, now it's time to beat it. Beat your mixture for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add your flour. Okay, so we will start beating. Let's start beating. You can feel the chunk of your dark compound. They will get melt or crushed. You can see there are some chunks of dark compounds. They will get crushed. So continuous beating of 15 minutes will give you a fluffy cake. So at least beat for 15 minutes. So see, I have beat my mixture for around 15 minutes and it's very smooth now. Now it's time to add our flour. Make sure your flour is stiff. उसको छन्नी से अच्छी तरह से छान ले ताकि वो हल्का हो जाए. Just first mix it well, then start beating. After adding flour, you just give it a beating of 5 minutes. ज़्यादा beat ना भी किया तो we have beaten our batter for 15 minutes, so it's sufficient. So let's start. Beat your mixture until you get the ribbon consistency. Okay. Now I have filled my 2 molds. You can see. अब आप इसमें बहुत से variations कर सकते हैं if you want to decorate your cake or something. When it's about to done, before 5 minutes, you can sprinkle your chocolates or that's choco chips, white chips or brown chips, as per your choice. I have left some chunks of dark compound in my batter, so when it will get melt in the cake, it will give you a nice taste. So I have a preheated oven at about 250 degrees. Let's decrease the temperature to 180 to 170 degrees and let's put our cake for baking. Now it will take at least 15 to 20 minutes to get rise. You can check with your toothpick or something whether it is done inside or not. When toothpick will come out nicely, so your cake is done. Okay. Now let's check our cake. I was checking in between whether the cake is done or not. Now it's completely done. So how to check if your cake is done or not? So take a toothpick, insert it in cake. See, it has come out nicely. No moisture. Okay, so now your cake is done. You can remove your cake after cooling from the molds. Thank you, friends.